Is your Sony Bravia TV remote not working? This is a common issue with several straightforward solutions. We'll walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps. When your Sony Bravia remote stops responding, the most common culprit is dead batteries. This accounts for the majority of remote control issues. First, replace the batteries with fresh ones. Make sure they're inserted with the correct polarity. Never mix old and new batteries or different brands, as this can cause poor performance. Clean the battery terminals with a cotton ball dipped in rubbing alcohol. Corrosion on the terminals can prevent proper electrical connection. If new batteries don't solve the problem, try resetting the remote. Remove the batteries, then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Wait 1 minute, then reinsert the batteries. Make sure nothing is blocking the remote control sensor on the front of your TV. Clean both the remote's infrared sensor and the TV's sensor with a soft, dry cloth to ensure clear communication. If you have a Bluetooth remote and the voice function isn't working, try repairing the remote with your TV through the Bluetooth settings menu. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most Sony Bravia remote issues. Start with battery replacement, then try resetting the remote and cleaning the sensors. For persistent problems, advanced solutions may be needed. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try power cycling your TV. This resolves software glitches that might affect remote functionality. Ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Sony regularly releases updates that improve remote responsiveness and fix compatibility issues. Newer Sony remotes have different features. Some include a Find Remote function that makes the remote emit sound and flash. This can be activated via Google Assistant or a button on the TV. To test if your infrared remote is working, use a smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a light from the infrared sensor if the remote is functioning. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your TV. However, be aware that this will erase all your data, settings, and downloaded apps. Only use this option if all other troubleshooting steps have failed. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, you may need to purchase a replacement remote. Contact Sony support or visit an authorized retailer to find a compatible remote for your specific TV model.